In this tutorial, I will show you how to send audio files on Instagram in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Open Google Drive. Now click on this plus icon. Then click on Upload Now. From above series of options, click on Audio. Now select the audio file you want to send. Then you have to click on Upload. After it has been uploaded, then refresh the page. Now click on these three dots in front of your file. Then you have to click on Manage Access. Now there are two ways to share this file. First one is you have to click on Change in General Access section. Now click on this menu icon and select anyone with the link. After this, just click on this copy link icon and the link of this file will be copied. You can share this link with anyone. In this way, anyone with this link will be able to access your audio file. But if you have privacy concern, then you can follow second method. For this, you just have to click on this person plus icon in front of Manage Access. Now enter the email address of the person you want to send this file. After this, click on this send icon. Now click on this copy link icon and the link of this file will be copied. Now close it and open Instagram. Now send this link to that person and only that person will be able to see or download it. So that's how you can send audio files on Instagram in just few easy steps.